try. Functions now. So ready to go. So guys, this is my Traxxass wide Maxx, my setup. So there's an FPV camera here. So I painted it black. So it's nice. And then I already installed my lights here. See? It's so bright. Brighter than the Maxx Traxxass LED light kit. And this one have, see, you can do like that. And then the button is only in here. You can do like that. And also do like that. And also at the back. Goes like that. It's so bright. So this one is the light in the bicycle. You do bicycle here at night here in New Zealand. So you can do like that, and then you can choose blinking or steady, or just like this, small blink, or off and on, or that one, save in front. So this is my very tiny small RC snacks. Look the comparison. That's the 1/10 scale brushless to the wide Maxx. Wide Maxx is so huge. Can put it steady. Can turn it off. Turn it off like that. Look, someone. That's how tall. It's so big. It's a big boy.